Hello again, it's just me. Just a little rant before the video starts. So, you know I love my mystery boxes. You know, I've won a couple and wafts and all that lot. But when, so this is the Pop Figures one. No, so when like, you advertise 400 boxes, 300 boxes, 200 boxes in this run, or 100. But then like, you've got 25% of it sold in the waffles. So people that don't know about the waffle or the groups have gone onto the website to see, oh, we've got a chance to get a box here, but 25% of them already sold out. It's just not on. And then people that go in and buy 5, 6, 10, 20, 30 boxes if there's no limit, give other people a chance to buy them as well. Now, if you want to spend all your money, fine. If you're that hard up and want to find that mega pop, and because you want to spend bucks getting it, so be it. But give other people a chance to be disappointed. You know what I mean? That's what mystery boxes are about, being disappointed. So my rant is, don't advertise like there's 100 boxes in line when it literally is only 75%. People can buy it online if they, because the rest have been sold in wafts. It's just not on. You know, if I'm upset people are saying that, so be it. That's how I feel sometimes. Yes, I've won boxes in the wafts before, but you know, that's how it goes sometimes, you know, but I think it's wrong. You know, don't say there's 500 for sale on that night when literally it's only like 400. If you don't know, so I just, it's not on, it's deceiving. Well, not deceiving, it's partly deceiving really, because it says on the website, blah, blah, but when you can't. So, and people that buy with millions of boxes, give other people a chance. So I hope you like the video, enjoy it. Bye. Hello, 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 hello. Can't see me. Yes, you can. Welcome to the channel, guys and girls. Is that? Oh, it's him. So,
howdy everyone, my name is Logan and welcome back to my channel.
So it's mystery box time. So I've got a box from POPFIGURES.com. I'm sure everyone knows them by now. Links down below. So, they had mystery box for Bonfire. Okay, Bonfire night mystery box, and it's $9.99 a go, and you guaranteed a pop with a hard stack. So,
what's a hard stack?
Hard stack and thick.
Let me guess, it's a different version of.
It's a pop
protector boxes.
Yes, but they're thick. All right.
Is that what they're called? Protector boxes.
So they're worth $9.99 each, a tenner. Right. So you're getting the pops free. The top hit was V for Vendetta metallic, and then there's 11 other hits you could get, right? And the one I was looking at was an Iron Man Deep Space Suit one, which looks really good. Ooh. 400 boxes. Before the video, you know why. So let's get this out. I actually got a soda with it. I don't know why I did, but I did. Let's open the soda. Do you want to do the soda?
Yes.
Or do you want
Give
to get
me
the
box bag. Yeah. You know how I usually do things. Hey, I'm opening it.
Hold a second. So we got Captain Cold, and it's a 7,500 piece.
Hey, I'm opening it.
No, I've done it. Yeah.
Gimme.
I know the flop, the chase, the
Give me it. I'm opening it.
No.
Can't. Ha.
No cheating.
The thing was already revealed. Don't worry, it's a common.
Oh, you. Yeah, okay, it's a common.
Don't blame me, blame the thing.
No, you looked at it, so it switched to a common from a chase.
Liar!
So that's my common luck, keep going and going.
Don't you mean it switched from the chase to the common?
So my chase luck is like 3 out of 30 odd.
More like 1 out of 100.
So cool. Cool figure there. Sorry about the ring, the light. You fucking...
Hey! Language!
So you got your jelly beans. Just for you, Jimmy Barnes. See ya. No, give me a box.
I'm opening this
Well,
one.
give me. There were 2 then.
I'm opening 2.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Well, what? 1 second, though. Don't rip it open. We keep the boxes.
Able to open it.
We keep the boxes. You...
I thought I was able to open it. Well, I don't think we should keep this one then.
Okay.
What?
And that is
Uncha.
Contra. I've never even heard of this thing. It's in the hard stack.
What's the number?
585. Contra.
585.
So, Pop Games.
£8.
Okay, so. Whoa.
Give me rather one.
Right, you do that one then.
Uncha.
Oh, so we got the set. Yay! We got the set. So,
What's the number of it?
Can you?
What's the number of it?
I don't know. I got a box
586.
on my head.
What's the name of him?
He's called
Lance Bean, £7.
£7.
And look, he has the same exact number as the pup you cancelled.
No, wrong one.
What?
Wrong one. So we got the set
Wait,
here.
what? I'm confused.
They'd be up for grabs. I've never even heard of them.
Then.
Right, my turn. I'm going to open it first. See, you're bad luck, ain't you? When you open things.
Hey. Chill out, dude.
Okay, so we've got Apex Legends Wrath. So it looks like
5.
they was on a kickback getting rid of the game pops.
£10.
£10, so I've got £30 worth of stacks, 10, 7 and 7, or 8 and 7, 25 quid's worth of pops. So, got my money's worth of the stacks. Pop wise, bit of a letdown for me really, don't collect any of these, so there you go. Oh, please take away someone. Right. Yes, stop it and wait. Right, we'll see you next video, guys.
Bye.
See you soon.